Well, it is all over at Mbombela Stadium, Mena Sporty, the home of the rising sun. Bafana 3 and Rwanda. No, yes, 3. Hey, I can't even believe it. Bafana 3, Rwanda iqanda. I'm saying this, I'm even thinking about Nigeria on the other side. So last time, Bafana was there for our qualifiers. We came out clean. It was still Coach Pizzo. They celebrated and danced and whatever. Only to find out, no, man, we didn't qualify. So today, please assure me that we did qualify.
Hi, today's Pagati, not America, South Africa. Here we go, yes.
This is my views, my expression. If this is your first time here, please do subscribe, share, and tell others that we are here. And sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. Elami igama uSiboniso Sizo owakomnikazi Sibonga, and I'm not alone. Ngiphethe ucoach Selule esincane 3310. Uyayibona uyincanyana.
Sanibona njani emakhaya.
No, people were so happy for you too. We saw you for the very first time in Moses Mabhida. We spoke with you about the game on Friday between Bafana and Zimbabwe. You expressed yourself and people loved that and they said they want to see more of you on this channel.
First of all, I'm very emotional right now because after a game in Zimbabwe, our emotion was very, very low because Abafana was disappointed. But after game, I'm so happy. That's wonke umuntu owase South Africa nje ujabule ube so even ngishathi ibhola ulandela ujabule kuba umlandeli nje kuba i-citizen yase South Africa. Ngiyajabulisa kakhulu. Ngiyajabula nethuba ngilithola futhi lokuthi ngibuye noma ngangibhocobeleke last time kodwa namhlanje sijabule.
Well, so let's go straight into it. We saw a lineup namhlanje sabona umehluko laphayana because Forster was injured and then we saw Makgopa lapha up front, but as far as other players we saw the return of certain players that we saw last time except for also Umbatha in the center endaweni kaJobe. So wena ngokwakho kuyibuka igame starting lineup, the game itself, how did you make of it?
First of all nje ucoach ama changes akhe abe mahle kakhulu because uyaya akasinikezanga lento namhlanje esinikezwe Umbatha eswini lento kade siyifuna sasikhala ngama shooting from the range into ebesikhalisa kakhulu kwigame eZimbabwe into ebengenzekanga namhlanje igoli loqala silithule from Umbatha outside the box wakwazi ukuthi athi sama defender wabo eceleni wa pick spot wakora igoli into ebekade siyidinga and I'm very proud for Undamase. TX Galaxy is doing the very well job. Last year I was crying ukuthi sokwenza njani kule ndawo kaMbekezeli Mvokazi, but today Undamase showed up and wathi uzoyimela country yakhe. I was very happy and for Makgopa we were crying ukuthi coach i-technique yakhe kanti ithini ngokuthi angamshintsha sifakele uMakgopa ngama early stages. Umakgopa, I'm not saying he is on the last game. Yeah. I'm not saying he is better than Frosler, but the guy is so lucky. Whenever there are aerial ball, technique yake unbelievable. It's unbelievable. And from Austin Apolis today and Sipumbul, all the central midfield was absolutely perfect.
There is one thing that we say very often about Lucky. It's the very same thing that I've heard people saying about Haaland. Pesce, when he scored those goals, to hey, this guy is very lucky. Would it say really it's lucky or it's because he knows how to position himself?
Yeah, Ngati, he knows how to position. If you are a striker, you must know when to be in a good spaces in the right time in order for you to score the goals. That is all that is needed. Striking, position yakho ngesikhathi esiright ukuze ukwazi ukutholela amagoli. Makgopa, that is the job awenza kahle kwi-national team.
Yeah. And then coach also called namhlanje Cupido. Umagulimala Forster, and then we hear Cupido has been called in as a Bafana, and luckily or fortunately for him, he gets an opportunity to come in alongside album Do or Die to play Bafana. Again, Zapinda Zavugi in Kolom. You are calling Cupid again, who has 0 goals with PSL as we speak. You live outside Khobla, who has 6. and more goals when you speak about other competition as well. What was your thoughts on that?
Coach usitshengisa ifootball yakhe ukuthi usitshengisa imiqondo yakhe ecashile ukuthi kahle kahle thina akuyona lento esiyibonayo yena ubona into. There are so many talent awavusile kuBafana mungabubuka ondamase bathatha from ama youngsters wona bathathayo kakhulu coach and from ukuthi alethe number 9 Cupido today was idea yakhe na coach ukusasitshengise lento esingayiboni thina ngokulimala ka Frosler.
Yeah. So maybe one other thing that we should also mention ukuthi kuyenzeka ukuthi umdlali abe a perfect player or playing very well in his team abe on form, but it doesn't really fit with style sa coach or the way of coach adlala ngayo.
I think I purpose yokheva I national team. Yes. It's because I mind ka coach ne technical yakho coach. He choose those players who think it's best for him ukuthi engamenzela lo msebenzi. It might be bad for thina as ama fans, but for coach he know absolutely what is looking in that player. Ingakho ahlanganisa leso squad thina sibe nama viewers ethu kodwa coach yena usukazi ukuthi yini asuke ibone kulo mdlali and iyamsebenzela njengoba silana nje namhlanje.
So kusasa sonke we going to compete to book our flight to America.
Yes, ama visa asemngomumo Canada, USA, Mexico. Ngonyaka ozayo siyeza. And to our neighbors Zimbabwe. Hello.
Engabusangibona.
Hello kunina.
Khubula uthi ngeke
belutho mama.
Hello.
Sinvulela izandla our neighbors Zimbabwe. You also borrow our stadium, guys. But you were not looking to qualify for FIFA World Cup. But you did what you did last time. No. But sisonke, let us support each other. Next year we are going to represent Africa.
Okay, usayidinga support yabo.
It's up to them. It's up to them. It's not that but it's up to you. It's up to you. But Sisonke, you are brothers, you are our sisters. We always respect that.
Speaking of brothers and the sisters, we've got brothers from another model, the Fufu gang. The Fufu gang ensured that they win against Benin, which also put us in a better position.
They did a huge favor for us. It was a favor for us, but they were also looking what they would benefit now also. Because yes, it was not about us. Yes. They did what they did for themselves because the only ticket to go to North America, it was for them to be on a second spot. And they did what they had to did. And we did it to ourselves. Even if they played a draw, we also go through.
Yeah. So do you think they could still have an opportunity now or brother from another model?
Yeah, the chances they are still there. They are still there. Knowing Nigeria the way yesiyazi ngakhona basenawo amandla ne capability ukuthi bengakwazi ukwenza lokho.
Well, that's just about it. This is my views, my expressions. If this is your first time here, please do subscribe, share, and tell others. We are here. And sikphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. From me now, mfana kamnikathi ukhaphela ucwethu ujamani maqoqo komedle hlakeni ngithi coach, come coach, woza Msai, pose. We angazi noma iyabonakala ke lapho nje ucoach vele bemude kanje kuthina. So elokugcina coach, anything that you'd like to say?
Yeah, in closing, well done Bafana. You make us proud. Go out there to North America to represent, particularly the countries from SADC. Yeah. Southern Hemisphere, those countries. I don't want to mention, the countries are in SADC. Yeah. Okay. Now, like the coaches alluded to, the last time we qualified was 2002. Now we're going all the way once again. And I'm telling you, we're not going there to add numbers. Bravo. And we are going to qualify for the next round. And we're going to go all the way.
Yeah. That game. So pose.
This is for the kid in Malamlela, this is for the kid in Bizana, this is for the kid in Frayet, Kwanongoma, Endwet, Nkumbanyuso, this is for the kid in Gwanyamazane, this is for the kid everywhere in the country, this is for the kid in Kurumane, this is for the boys that are playing on the streets, that are playing in between Mabepume School and Bedlali Bola, in Fuleni and everywhere. Yes. This is the dream, your dream is valid. We as South Africa, we are going to put our name onto the map of this world. We are
all the way.
Look to Yolanda.
Ngathi kuma fans, let us not give up on our boys. Let us support them. They did very well to be this far namhlanje. Basenze sa proud as a South African citizen. One in 2002 sagcina qualifier, 2010 ngoba sasihostile. But today, next year, we would be happy to be in the FIFA World Cup.
Well, that's just about it. If I could add anything, the only thing that I can say is we are out of here.
Yeah.